All right, apart of evaluating the value of the bond, we sometimes the question can ask you how much is the yield to maturity. So you've been given the price of the bond, and then you've been given all the other information together with the value of the bond, but the missing part is the yield to maturity. So what is yield to maturity? It is the required rate of return from the bond issuer. Okay, how much is the yield to maturity? So how to calculate yield to maturity? It is coupon payment. Okay, CP is coupon payment plus with the answer of par value minus the market price. So market price, usually we will refer to the value of the bond. Sometimes price can be different from the value, but usually we will refer to value. Okay, value of the bond. And then this answer we divide with n is the years or the tenure of the bond. And then all this answer we divide with par value plus market price divided by 2. So to make you see it easier, it is coupon payment plus par value minus market price divide with years. All right. And then all this answer we divide with the answer of par value plus market price divide with 2. Okay, so I think this is better to see compared to this one. Okay, so this is the calculation, how to calculate the YTM. So same goes to valuation of bond. It can be annually, it can be semi-annually. So what you need to do is, if it is semi-annually, the payment you have to divide by 2. And then the years you have to times by 2. Okay, because n is referring to how many times of the payment. So if it is once in a year, so basically it refers to how many years lah. If it is semi-annually, it means that there are 2 times payment in a year. So therefore, if there is a 5 years, so 5 years for semi-annually, there will be 10 times payment happen. So that's why we have to multiply by 2. So here, as I said earlier, so coupon payment plus par value minus market price divided by n multiplied by 2. All this answer divided by par value plus market price divided by 2. All right, so let us try this example. Calculate the yield to maturity when the bond sell for 1,080 has 10% coupon interest rate. And the par value is 1,000 and the maturity is 10 years. So N is 10 years. YTM we don't know. We have to find the YTM. And then the par value given is 1,000. And we know the valuation of the bond is 1,080. So this is considered as a market price. Okay, what else? Okay, the payment. So the coupon payment. The coupon payment, it is based on the coupon interest rate. Coupon interest rate is 10%. So it is 0.1 multiplied with par value. So it equal to 100. So now when we able to extract all the information, and then you put all the information into the formula. So what is the formula? So the formula is payment plus par value minus market price divide with N. So this answer we divide with the answer of par value plus market price divided by 2. Alright, so coupon payment is 100 plus par value is 1000 minus 1080 divide with n. N is 10 years. And so the upper side is par value minus market price. The lower side is par value plus market price. So 1000 plus 1080 divided by 2. Okay, so 1000. So 1000, calculate this first. 1000 minus 1080 is negative 80. Negative 80 divided by 10 is 8. 100 plus negative 8 is equal to 92. Okay, 100 plus negative 8. So basically it is 100 minus 8. So that's why you will get 92. Okay. So the lower side, 1000 plus 1080 is equal to 2080. 2080 divided by 2. So the answer is 1040. So 92 divided by 1040 is equal to 0.0885. So convert this to percentage. So when you want to convert into percentage, just multiply by 100. So the answer is 8.85%. All right. So this is example of annually. Okay. So now what happens if it is semi-annually? So if it is semi-annually, the n you have to times by 2, then it equal to 20. And then payment we have to divide by 2, then it equal to 50. Okay. So now here is 50. And here is 20. So 1000 minus 80 is equal to negative 80. So negative 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4. Okay. So 50 minus 4 is equal to 56. Sorry, 46. It's 46. Divide with the same answer, 1040, because 1000 plus 1080 is equal to 2080. 2080 divided by 2 is equal to 1040. So 46 divided by 1040 it equal to 0.044230769230 infinity lah. So we just take out to 4 decimal, which is 0.0442. So convert into percentage. So the answer is 4.42%. 0.42%. So it is semi-annually. All right. So in question, if you only answer the answer, if you just put the answer, you will not get the mark. You will get the mark from the calculation. You from the calculation shown in the answer. All right. So let us continue with the second long-term financing, which is the equity capital. So this equity capital, it's referred to the shares. Okay.